Good morning, everyone. It is such a beautiful, beautiful summer day. For a while, I thought maybe the weather could not make up its mind because it would be raining heavily for days and days. Then we get a summer day, and then it would hail right on my garden. But today is fantastic. I am sitting out here on the back porch with our birds, as you can hear them. They're joining the conversation. Usually in the summer months, I will take them outside so they can get vitamin D and sunshine, fresh air, and just be able to see and hear the other birds, which I think is really good for them. So I can't let this beautiful day go to waste. I have to have a picnic. I really want to sit under a tree and do some reading today, and I was thinking maybe I'll make some homemade vanilla extract, vanilla essence. If you didn't see my last video, I made some fantastic lip balm. Yeah. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned to the end of this video and I will post a thumbnail link up on the corner that you can just click on to get to the video where we did homemade lip balm. Really fantastic lip balm. And it's all natural, organic, and it lasts a really long time. Happy with the oranges. Look, I'm making strawberry ginger bars. it, and I just get the 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Yeah, it was in a bag, I think. So anyway, I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a book club. I have a Patreon page to help support this channel so that I can spend more time making videos for you guys and for myself. So last month we were reading An Iceland Fisherman by Pierre Loti. So this is the book. I have to say that if I was going to rate this book, I would give it a 2. I did enjoy reading it, but the descriptions were just way too long. Sometimes when the author was trying to describe the environment and, you know, like what the people were doing and wearing, their expressions and things like that, would go on for about 4 pages, which was a bit much for me. I like to use my own imagination for the most part, so I just really kind of appreciate a little bit less description. I'm rating this book a 10 out of 10. 10 plus actually. The highest rating I can ever give a book would be for this one. For this book, I would give it a rating of, I would say 6.5. So I bought this big, huge bottle of rum and a package of organic vanilla beans, and we are going to make some vanilla essence, vanilla extract. That smells good. So we've got the premium rum, and we're just going to put all these beautiful agitated vanilla beans inside the rum bottle. All of them in here so we get a nice, really strong, beautiful vanilla butter rum extract. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful. So I'm just going to shake that up a little bit. And I'm not going to use it for about 4 months. But I'm going to shake it on occasion and just like put it in a cool, dark place. And just let all of that vanilla essence seep into the rum. So here we have the highest quality vanilla that you're ever going to get. And it's going to taste amazing. And there's so much of it, you probably won't run out for about 4 or 5 years. And you can share it with other people. Yeah. Looking forward to trying this, honestly. If any of you want the recipe for the wraps with the roasted chicken, the beans and wine sauce, and the brown rice with chicken and nutritional yeast, just leave me a comment. Even if one person asks for it, I'll just put it in the comment section so you can get it. Alright, club members, future club members, non-club members. The mental health book of choice for this month is The Realm of the Hungry Ghosts. This month on the book club, The Works of Edgar Allan Poe. Now I know this looks a little bit Halloween-y, but the stories in here are not Halloween type stories. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. I am halfway through this book and I can't tell you the value that I have found in this book. I think that plants and our natural world are so interesting and important. So I'm trying to learn more about it and learn how to use natural plants for medicine, cleansing, recipes, beauty products, that kind of thing. Also, a book along those lines is this one here. And this is the other plant book that I'm studying this month. 100 Plants That Heal. And we kind of showed you this book a little bit in the last video, but it just has so many beautiful photographs. Beautifully photographed, and they're big. And it's just full of them, right? And so it has a lot of information on the opposite page about the plant and how to use it. I got a lot of these books at Barnes & Noble for just like $10 or $15. As you can see, like the sticker on the top there. And then this one has illustrations, which you find in a lot of plant books. I don't really appreciate the illustrations as much. I mean, they're kind of good, but a photograph I think is probably the best. But I am enjoying this book so far. So I welcome you to join my book club, and once a month I'm meeting in Discord or the chat room or on Zoom with my members to talk about books, talk about upcoming books, and talk about book suggestions and things like that. So if you're into that kind of thing and you want to make friends and be a bookworm, then go to my Patreon page. There is a fee. But that's only because it takes me a lot of time to make these videos. I gotta purchase books. I have to take time to put things on my Patreon page. And so basically, with my regular job and doing this, that's a lot of hours. And so I'm trying to work more online with you guys. I want to do more filmmaking and study about filmmaking and just provide a larger audience with mental health, healthy lifestyle, good recipes, fantastic books, you know. And so the more successful I can be in financially supporting myself in that area, the more time I can devote towards it and then share with all of you. So please consider supporting my channel by, subscribing or being a member of my Patreon page. Okay? or you can just buy me a cup of coffee at buymeacupofcoffee.com. And I'll list all the links in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and please subscribe because it really helps support my channel. Thank you so much. Bye!